Thanks for clicking on this channel. Please subscribe to FO's blog and click on the notification button so that whenever we upload a new video you will be notified. Benin artifacts, youths defy rain, protest against Obaseki's EMOWAA. Several youths in Benin City, under the name Coalition of Benin Socio-Cultural Organization, defied the early morning rain to protest the planned establishment of the Edo Museum of West African Arts, EMOWAA, by the state government. They called on Benin's sons and daughters and the palace of the Oba of Benin to commence the construction of the Benin Royal Museum, which the Oba of Benin, Oba Elwhuahay II, had proposed to house the artifacts looted by the British in 1897 and expected to be returned to the palace. The group led by its coordinator general, Osazel Armos Edibor, said the march took them from the ancient Benin Arousa Church on Akpakpava Road to the palace of the Oba of Benin and then the proposed site for the museum, which is opposite the palace. With placards carrying several inscriptions, the group said Obaseki's EMOWAA was alien to them. Speaking, secretary of the group, Osar Inyamu, said, "Today, we are here to inform our great Oba, the Oba of Benin Kingdom, to appeal to him not to be deterred, not to be disturbed. We here to appeal to him to commence work on the proposed Benin Royal Museum. We are appealing that work should commence next week. We have great sons and daughters who have the wherewithal, and we are also using this medium to advise them and appeal to them to join the palace to commence the construction of Benin Royal Museum. It is only the Benin Royal Museum that we the Edo people know. We are at the permanent site for the museum to show to the world that Omo Noba already has a place for the construction of the Benin Royal Museum, which is just opposite the palace. We don't know any other museum for our artifacts apart from this. We want to also thank President Muhammadu Buhari for giving his nod to ensure that our artifacts are given the rightful recognition and the necessary support. We call on all Benin to support this project as we expect more to be returned because we are aware some have been returned and taken back to where they were stolen from. We are expecting more than 1,000 from the German government. Watch and listen as they explain why they support Benin Royal Museum.
The coalition of Benin Association lọ́pọ̀ àfẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ ìpàdéwà tẹ́lẹ̀ náà máa ń tàbí ẹni wá kẹ́kẹ́ àkọyáwẹ́ ìdílé yá bìsù ẹ̀yìn àpàlọ́ ẹ̀kọ́lọ́wẹ́ okay, Mare. Mare, you want a short community where any other Benin Royal Museum near the Royal Benin Royal Museum, the Obima, Boy, and Manila do, and then members, leaders, and stakeholders of coalition of Benin Socio-Cultural Organization. Kakebaka, Maya, a permanent Akadima, Oba Elwhuahay, no we have Benin Royal Museum. We are always supposed to if I'm wearing a fire diver, I don't know where. After next week, our flag on the construction of Benin Royal Museum. From next week, I will be in our square. If you have to have Maronia, if you have to buy, or Elwhuahay, I don't know where. I swear Benin Royal Museum. I only want to give you a square. Next week, I will say my name and then I will happen. Mama, Benin Royal Museum, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are members, leaders, and stakeholders of coalition of Benin Socio-Cultural Organization. Today, we are here to inform our great honor, the Oba of Benin Kingdom, the Oba that owns the land, that owns Benin land from Benin to the world. It covers everywhere. So we are here to appeal to him, not to be disturbed, not to be disturbed. We are here to appeal to him to commence work on Benin Royal Museum. We are feeling that work will commence next week. We have great sons of Benin and daughters who are well who are 60. We are also using this video to advise them, to appeal to them to join the palace, to commence the construction of Benin Royal Museum. It is only Benin Royal Museum we the top people know and we want. You can see if you are very concerned, you will see that we have a signpost that we are about to station at the permanent site. We live here now. We go to the permanent site where we will now arrest the signpost, just to show to the world that our Oba already have a place, a well-covered place for the construction of the new Royal Museum. We don't do any other museum apart from the new Royal Museum. What I'm going to do to thank President Buhari for keeping the strong to ensure that the Royal Museum and our artifacts are giving the rightful recognition and the necessary support. Therefore, call on all Benin to support the Benin Museum and the immediate returns of our stolen artifacts, even though we are aware that some have been returned to where it is stolen. Some have been returned to Paris. That's where we are. We are expecting more than 1,000 stolen artifacts from the German embassy, German government by September. So we appeal to everyone, all Benin, all the Ghanaians, Nigerians, who want to support our great powers. May God bless us all. Yes, we are going to sign now to elect our disciples. Oh yeah, we are going to ascend. Eh? You said?
Come on, sir.